guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you are always notified of any new videos that I will be posting. Now today I'm going to do something that I've always wanted to do, like in many years, maybe like 5 years I've wanted to do this, but I didn't have the courage to do it, or rather I didn't think I would like it, you know, after I've done it, like it enough to go out in public with it. But then what better time to do it than when we're locked up? I know, right? Like I can make mistakes on my hair and stay home, right? And if I really like it, then in future I can actually make it and go outside with it. So it's I'm very excited about this because I've always really wanted to do this. So I'm going to do green yarn braids on my hair. It's not my first time doing yarn braids on my hair. I've done black and I've done dark brown, which I was very comfortable going out with. And actually at the time, about I don't know, a few years ago, at that time yarn braids were always like my go-to protective style in the winter because it kept the hair very well protected, and it didn't strain the hair in any way that the hair would break, right? So I really loved it at that time until I discovered wigs. Your girl discovered wigs and abandoned my yarn braids. But today we're back to that. I have pulled the inside thread and the outside thread so that when I'm wrapping it, I don't have to do it too many times to get the same number, so I can wrap two at the same time. And then I'm going to tape them. Which way is it easier for me? Okay, so I'm going to tape it down here so that it doesn't move. I have this much to start with. Isn't that beautiful? Like, you can say otherwise, but I believe it's beautiful. This is so beautiful. So I'm going to start with a single strand so that this makes the middle braid. Then after I braid a little bit, I'm going to split my hair into two. Like that, and then start twisting. So for now I'm going to use one strand to tie it down until I decide what I'm gonna do with the ends. Like maybe I'll band them, or so that's how it looks. I feel like this is a good size. I wish I was able to like hide my hair so that it's all green, but then I think that's also impossible because my hair is black unless it was green. I didn't hold it tightly from the bottom because I want to protect my edges as always. This is just a fancy style. I don't like things that are, you know, hard to wear. So I'm going to do the next one. I wish I could try the bigger one and see how it looks like. That's what I'm gonna do. The big one doesn't look neat at all. I could have done it better, I don't know, but then it's not looking like what I'd want. So take it off. This size is much better. I like this size, so we're gonna do the whole head this size. I'm finally done. Oh my god, I'm so tired. It's very late in the night or early in the morning, but I like this color very much. If I wasn't tired, I could have made them more so that they look fuller. So I'm really tired, and I will finish I did not finish the ends, but I'll finish them maybe another time, but then I will insert pictures of the final look. Yeah, so this is the finished product. I'll try to take pictures under natural lighting so that we can see how that looks, like the vibrance of the green. Yeah, so this is what we have. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave your comment down below. Tell me if you like this style, tell me what you like, what you don't like, and if you've ever made this style, please give me tips down in the comment on how to finish the ends. Otherwise I'm just gonna, you know, do whatever and see what happens. But otherwise, thank you so much guys, and be safe out there. Bye.